In this chapter, I'm going to explain what exactly DevOps is. If you are already working in an organization for some time, you must have heard a developer saying, "It works fine on my machine," or "Worked fine in development, it's now an operations problem." Or you might have heard an operations person saying, "Let's push the code and pray." Or you might have heard, "It's not the server, it's the code," when ops is deploying. It might be that the developer is at fault. It might be the infrastructure, or sometimes it's really difficult to tell. What this means is that in an organization, you have two teams that need to work together: the developer teams and the operation teams. They often see each other as us and them, the developer from the dev team on one hand and the sysadmin on the other hand. The teams also have contradictory goals. The developer wants change, whereas IT operations wants stability. Operations wants to keep their services running without disruption. Developers also want to add or modify features, where IT operations want to create and enhance their services with the goal of system stability, resilience, and also availability. Software engineers often don't deploy consistent software. It might contain bugs, or it is maybe not written very well. This might introduce problems on the operations side. Operations therefore has a motivation to resist change. Most development teams are using an agile process, whereas the operation process is often still a list of procedures that they need to follow. It means that there is a big disconnect between the developer and the operations team. This can lead to conflict and inefficiencies. So what is DevOps? DevOps is an approach to bridge the gap between software development and operations. It is a response to the interdependence of software development and IT operations. It basically means there are two teams, dev and ops, and they depend on each other. So we want to bridge the gap between them. It's not really a technology problem, but a business and culture problem. DevOps stresses the collaboration between development and operations teams. It also aims to deliver software and services quicker. So in short, by working better together, we should be able to deliver software quicker and really of a higher quality.